Being part of such an iconic event for Dubai and an iconic event for any rugby fan is a huge honor.
3 days, 100,000 people, the Emirates Airline Dubai Rugby Sevens is really like no other.
The Emirates Airline Dubai Rugby Sevens is one of the most anticipated sporting events in the Middle East.
To be here in Dubai to celebrate 50 years of Rugby Sevens really is going to be something special.
It's about fans, families. Dubai Rugby Sevens more than rugby, it's a festival.
The Emirates Airline Dubai Rugby Sevens A380 will be flying to rugby playing nations across the world within the next few months.